Okay, this is my machine. I'm gonna plug it in. And this is what happens. Anytime I try to push anything, it won't push. It won't do anything. Won't turn a light on. That's what happens when I plug it in. No matter what I do, no matter what plugs I put it in, this is what happens.
Okay, look at this chicken. No oil necessary. Now keep in mind it's colored like that because I marinated it for about 4 or 5 hours. Getting ready to marinate some more chicken. But this thing right here is amazing. I've already cooked up quite a few dishes in it. I tried the onion rings recipe and it did not come out well. But that may have been my fault. But overall, this thing is worth every freaking penny I've ever spent. My name is Joshua, and I approve this message.
Ok, este es mi horno. Lo compré en noviembre del 2021. Cuando yo lo conecto, ya no funciona. No funciona, no lo puedo dar power. Ya no funciona.
Aquí vemos el nuevo Airfryer. Estoy súper contento. El equipo funciona al 100. Lo recomiendo. Muy silencioso. No se siente, apenas se siente. El Airfryer anterior que yo tenía, sonaba cantidad. Pero este es bien silencioso y trabaja a la perfección. Realmente estoy muy contento.
Air fryer tenderloin with bacon wrap. This thing is amazing. This is the best ever. I will recommend it. 10 stars and more. Yes, look at that. Just look at that. All that back there is black. See? You can hear there's somewhat of a crisp, but let's listen. No, this is not working.